Okay, so good day, still Drone PH. So we have here another episode. So we have here the ND filter, okay, the lens for our DJI Neo from FREEWELL, okay. They sent to me this for review, and we will try later at our DJI Neo. Okay, so pretty easy guys. This is the magnetic lens. I will show you on how to install it. Okay, so if you purchase the ND filter from FREEWELL, all comes inside the box. We have here the lens, the small envelope. Okay, so we have here the, I think this is about the sticker. Okay, the QR code for the support. The cleaning cloth, okay, to wipe your lens. And this is the quick start guide manual. Okay. So we have two types of ND filter with our DJI Neo. So we have here the standard, and the one more is the polarized, okay. So just insert in front of the camera. Okay, so let's install guys, and we will check outside, okay. Okay, so this is brand new. Just remove the plastic cover, and this is all guys, the lens if you purchase it. So we have here the three lens and two piece of magnet. Okay, so you can put the other one, and this is one maybe for backup. Okay, so let's install the magnet first. Okay, so you're gonna fast forward guys, and let's fly later, okay. Let's go. All goods, but a little bit heavy, but it's fine, okay. If you own the drone, it will be level, okay. Okay, so it's level guys, so no problem about the magnet weight, okay. So if you want to get your own, just check the description, okay. They have a discount for now, okay. So check the description and get your own. Okay, so we are here outside to check the lens guys, the ND filter from FREEWELL. So we will try here. Okay, so let's go and take my bike guys. I will do the follow mode. Let's go. Okay, so that's the end of our test guys with this ND filter from FREEWELL. So you can get your own, okay? Just click the description at the bottom of this video, okay? So that's only. Till next time, see you and happy flying.